It's the next day. And andito na naman kami sa airport. Hey, I'm still dead. Itong isa kong friend, medyo boy na siya.
Umuwi lang kami para mag-impake. Literally, mag-impake lang. Tapos nandito na ulit kami. Patay pa siya.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Let's go! Hey! Hey mga sis, we just arrived at the hotel. And look at our view!
Ang ganda.
Wow!
This view.
The view is viewing. Anong mas gusto nyong view? Ito? O ito? Anyway, ayun lang. Ang first agenda namin for today is Sneaker Street. Yes, kasi bukas yung Hong Kong namin and gusto namin.
Ano kasi Hong Kong natin? Nasa
Hong Kong Disneyland kasi.
Oh.
Si Perfect naman.
Perfect. Sorry ka.
Sorry.
Okay.
Ikaw nga dapat mag-sorry.
Ikaw mag-sorry ko yung nagkamali.
Ikaw yung perfect eh. Huwag na nga tayo mag-vlog. Anyway, ayan lang. See you guys later. Ay. Hey mga sis. So today, we are going to unbox a very special... We are gonna unbox our DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Finally, we gave in sa... Actually, ito yung nagbudol lang sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko tong ano ko, GoPro Max. Pero, ito eh, siya yung...
Let's give it a try. Fast forward nyo na lang. Bagal pa namin. Ay.
Ay! Ooh, so this is the component.
Component naman.
Yung mga attachment naman niya. Ito, battery din. And then, ito naman yung, ito na yung mic! Oh my gosh! Hello! Charot, wala pa.
Boobs.
Ay, ang galing kasi na-zoom yung front cam niya.
Bakit sa'yo?
Fake kasi yung sa'yo.
Sorry.
Naka-ano na ba? Naka-ano ba itong mic na ito? So, ayun na nga. Kung naririnig mo ako, hindi mo. Charot. That's for our gimbal unbox. Walang unbox. Kwento tayo mag-unbox. So finally, makakalabas na kami. Tagal kumilos?
Iyak ko sa'yo ah.
We are here. And then we are going here. Go. So, let's go, let's go. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. Kasi ito talaga yung dream ko pag magta-travel. Yung gumamit ng public transportation nila. Lalo na yung public train. So, very touristy. Guys, ang bilis ng train. Look at my hair.
Okay.
Okay. Ang bilis. Alam, para akong bata. Dito na kami sa Myeongkok.
Myeongdong. Ginagawa nilang Myeongdong.
Ano nga?
Mongkok.
Mongkok. At Jumujulanis Morosset. Meron kaming dalang payong. Pero syempre, iniwan namin sa hotel kasi baka maulanan yung hotel namin eh.
Hindi, baka makaulanan yung payong.
Oh. So, ang ginawa namin, bumili na lang kami ulit ng payong. Tama!
Saya?
This gising na yung friend ko. And I made coffee for us. Yeah, with this espresso capsules. Busy day ahead. We're going to Disneyland today! See you guys in Disneyland. We're now here at the Hong Kong Disneyland themed train. We're waiting for it to arrive. We're now here at the Disney theme. Like, look at that. I'm feeling so overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, I don't wanna live. Charot. CZs, I want you to meet our tour guides for this journey. This is Coco and Melody and Red. Oh no, that's right. For today is
Dumbo. Dumbo.
we will rate it from 1 to 5, 1 to 10.
1 to 72.
So we're now here at the Lubok River. Ay, mali. This is our reaction video. Ano ba yun? So we will ride the Jungle River Cruise. Out of 10, yeah.
Out of 10.
9. I will rate it 9 also. So fun. Hey. Ito na naman tayo sa bago.
It's all problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata for the rest of our days. It's all problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
So we will rate the Lion King show at
100 over
100
10.
over 10.
Grabe. Nahil yung inner child ko.
Yeah. Parang ano, mas kami pa yung natutuwa sa mga
As
bata.
in, wala, palakpak.
Yeah. Our next ride is
Grizzly,
Beru.
whatever.
What do you call this ride again?
So this is the like Grizzly Mountain Runaway Mine Car.
Let's go.
We're good to go? Just finished. It's so good. We rode it 2 times.
Yes.
I would
times in
rate
a
it.
row.
I would rate it 1,000 out of 10.
Same.
So we're here inside the Mystic Manor, and we are told na mysterious daw yung mga tao dito. Ay, walang entry.
Thank you.
Thank you. I will rate the Mystic Manor 8 over 10.
Ako din.
Kasi nagulat ako. Wala sa ibang ginawa kundi gulatin
Sobrang lakas ng
ako.
sigaw ni Sid ang OA. Lahat bawat kanto sumisigaw.
Kakagulat, Sisi eh.
Pero malamig siya.
Yeah.
5 lang yun kung walang aircon.
Yes. Kung walang aircon, mga 6 naman sa akin. I'm gonna ride here first. What do you call this ride?
Toy Soldier Parachute.
Soldier Parachute. According to Coco.
We are Toy Soldier now.
Okay. You look like a toy soldier. Can I see? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Rate that ride 8 out of 10.
O 7. Medyo ano siya, less scary.
Yeah. This is our next ride. What do you call this ride again?
The RC Racer.
RC Racer. Rate this ride 7.
8.
Grabe, looks can be deceiving. Kala mo yan lang siya, pero
Sinabi ko na
hindi.
sa'yo, sinabi ko na sa'yo na
Ay, gusto ko yun pa rin i-try.
nakakatuwa.
Bakit ba tayo nag-aaway? Bye, goodie. So we're here inside the theater.
IMAX, Mall of Asia.
Oo. Nirent lang namin kasi.
Ayaw ni Sid na may katabas.
Ayaw niya kasi ng mainit din. So what's your rate?
5.
Ako din. Ang saya lang ng aircon.
Kung walang aircon ulit, 3 yun.
Hey, Frozen! Kanta yung ulit. Girl of Frozen. Out here. Hanapin namin si Elsa tsaka si Anna. Dito tayo sa Arendelle! And do you wanna build a snowman? That's our version. We're going to Elsa's castle. Are you ready?
Yes, are you?
Yes, I'm ready. Ready?
Come with that.
Okay. Wow! Ah!
the magic winter show. Summer snow for spending me and you.
Ang fun naman. I love it here already. I would rate it
12 out of 10.
ako 13 out of 10.
Ganda, guys. Sa must.
Are you excited for our next ride? What's the name of our next ride again?
Sliding sleigh.
The Wandering Ocean Sliding Slide.
Oh, this is a woohoo, big summer. Oh my gosh, you don't know that scene. That's my favorite scene.
No.
And you will see Sven.
Oh, yeah.
Sven. And Chris is off.
Ay, sige.
And here is the safety notice.
Okay, so I would rate this ride 9 out of 10.
9.5.
Yeah, it's so fast, pero so fast din siya.
Yes.
Yeah.
So fast, but it's fun while it lasts. For kids.
Itak-tak mo, itak-tak mo, itak-itak, itak-tak, itak-tak mo. Paalam daw pula.
Bye.
Paalam daw. Would rate this ride.
Ako 9. Favorite ko to eh.
Ako 9.5.
Isip bata kami.
My favorite ride, which is called
Hyperspace Mountain para sa mga may hyper.
發射前，請依照準備程序，將帽、
Extreme ba to?
同埋隨身物品放入你面前嘅儲物袋裏面，將安全手領。
Ito na yung extreme na ito-tolerate ko.
Okay, let's see. So, we just finished the famous Space Mountain, and I would rate it 11 out of 10.
1 billion out of 10.
Oh, eh. Ang
Would go
bilis.
back. Would go back.
So, I will rate it 15 out of 10.
Ako mga 10. Maganda lagi yung moral lesson ng mga Disney.
It's all about dreaming big, it's all about dreaming and
Believing.
first meal of the day. Hindi naman. Second, nag-light breakfast kami sa hotel. Pero, so, ito na yung first meal namin. And look at my mushroom soup.
Thank you so much.
Taste this. The taste is very interesting. That's so cute! That's so cute! We're having apple pie, kinemperlu, and
Cheesecake na may 8-second violation. Napakatagal i-serve. Napakatagal i-serve.
Pero look, cute, Minnie Mouse, and tequila.
And through the trials we face, the races that we're running. What came before us and what's yet to come? Keep them alive in our hearts so they live on and on. Time's always moving, we can't throw the hands. Won't last forever, so take every chance. Just love the memory.
I will give Disneyland 1 million out of 10. Bye, Disneyland. See you soon.
How was your experience?
It was a 1 million out of 10. Kate, pupunta tayo dito. Pag-uwi ng tatay mo, pupunta tayo dito. Dadalhin kita dito. On our way home, change outfit na pala.
Si Winnie the Pooh.
Kind words are like honey, my love. If someone's a wind.
Tama ka.
Ang cravings namin na 12 midnight. Time check tayo. Ang cravings namin ay Sausage.
Sausage,
Mushroom.
Mashed potato kasi.
Antok na ako. Sausage, mushroom. Sinulit ko.
Hindi na mushroom! Mashed potato!
Ikaw na masabi ka ng kinakain mo.
Sausage and mashed potato. Tapos umorder ako ng mango smoothie. Tinamad na sila mag-blender. Sabi, ikaw na yan. Ikaw na mag-blender niyo. Buo-buo yun.
And, tignan nyo ito na hanap namin is strawberry. Masarap ba sa ilong ko? Strawberry. And, I only got hot chocolate. Na?
Pang isang tropahan.
So, let's pour it. Hey, namalabnaw siya ha. Medyo malabnaw siya.
Malay mo naman masarap.
Sige, sige. Try natin. Try ko muna for you guys. Sis. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo! Sobrang lasang-lasa yung chocolate.
Alam niyo, isang sachet ng Milo, parang good for 12. Still, thank you Lord for the food.
Thank you Lord for the food. Thank you for my friend. And thank you for all the blessings that you're giving to us.
Pag-pray naman dito.
Sige na. Good morning. Borlocks pa si Tula. Pero ako, I need to buy some workout clothes. Kasi nag-message siya sa akin si PT. Nag-workout na daw ako. Charot. Kala mo talaga. Pero yeah. Eh wala akong dala. So bibili tayo. So ito na nga. Sabi ko, 2 pairs lang kailangan ko. Grabe yung tulong sa akin ng sales lady dito. Medyo delikado. Pero let's go. So just got back sa hotel and your girl went a little overboard. Pero ang masasabi ko lang ay I deserve this. Ito na ako. Ready na ako mag-workout. Yung friend ko just woke up. But I made him his shot of energy. Ay, sorry. Alis na. Bye, Suzy! Our first adventure for the day. Siya pala. Kasi ako madami na ako nagawa for this morning.
Go!
Fit check muna. Fit check. Go! Lakad. Papindot na din ng ano. Pakita mo yung Mary Jane shoes.
Ito yung obsession ni Sed ngayon na shoes. Annabelle shoes.
Mary
Annabelle
Jane.
the doll.
So update lang mga sis. Medyo na heartbroken ako sa Nongping kasi sarado siya. So change of plans. We're here at
Central Station.
yes, and it's so beautiful here. Parang yung mama mo.
Ito naman si mama mo naman.
Yeah, look, it's so beautiful here. Like, yes. Wow. Very touristy.
Ganto muna kayo, baka nahihilo na kayo.
The view is viewing.
Ano favorite building?
Ito. Ikaw, anong favorite building mo?
Yan.
Bakit?
Kasi yan yung may umiilaw na gano'n paggabi.
It's so amazing! Uuwi na kami.
Uuwi muna kami.
Uuwi muna kami dahil...
Gagasto si Sen.
Hoy! Bad words too! Sephora!
Siyempre, ikaw lang mag-enjoy.
Okay. Gotta get. Gotta get. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get. Boom, boom, boom. Hey!
Jollibee.
Ang saya!
Ito pa rin talaga.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Oh! Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a
So sis, hindi nyo kakayanin. Bumalik ako ng lalaban. Alam nyo naman ako, pag na-addict talaga. But, it's a 10 out of 10, the quality. So, you get your money's worth. Charan! Siyempre, justify natin yung pagiging gastador. Go! Morning! Of the great start today! Aga kami today. Pero ako nakapag-workout na ako. Mayabang.
Maasim naman siya.
Sino siya?
Ikaw.
Ako. Talaga. Sorry. Paano yung maasim?
Favorite face natin. Nakalabas din sa snakes na umaga.
Ganito pala yung feeling, no?
Mga arawan.
Okay, pa din pala.
May araw pala dito sa Hong Kong. Akala ko gabi lang lagi.
Hello mga sis. Dito na naman kami sa Sneaker Street. Because...
First damage.
Yes. Ayun o, si first damage. Ako wala pa.
No? Wala pa, mamaya.
Pala sa mundong ibabaw. Puro lang kami train.
First time namin magsasakit.
Ito pala. Ang ganda pala ng Hong Kong. Oh my gosh. Is this real?
Feels like heaven.
Oh my god! Happy!
Pwede na ako matulog.
Okay.
Labas ka na.
Okay. Tingin nga ng tulog. Grabe, tulog na!
Nagising tuloy ako.
Ay, nagising. Sorry. Alis na ako ulit. Dinner out today because it's our last dinner here in Hong Kong. Tayo naman paycheck. And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take pictures. In 3, 2, 1, go. Eto na. We're here at the Hong Kong Cultural Center. So you better watch out. You better not.
Pasko naman.
Watch out for our photos. Palike ka din ha. We're ready.
Thank you, Fujifilm.
Ay, sponsor naman.
Baka naman.
Bye guys.
Sa buhay, kung kayang gawin ng iba, edi ipagawa mo sa kanila.
Guys, may papakita ako sa inyo. May secret kami ni Seth. Akala niya strapless yan. Ano po yan eh? Spaghetti. Ginawa niya strapless. Mama sa tuhod.
Nice idea. We are now packing because we're gonna leave in 30 minutes. Tignan niyo yung nauwi kong food. This is the shoes that I bought and will bring home. Guys, tignan niyo kung gaano kalinis dito sa Hong Kong. Ito yung suot ko ng isang araw, tapos umuulan pa. Tignan niyo yung mangga namin dito. So, ayun na nga. Kailangan ba natin ng paper bag ni Vivian? Hindi na! Oh, that you got this guys, I just want to share you my scent for the day, and my favorite scent is MFK Baccarat. Shit, ang galing ko na mag-empake talaga. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-empake. Hey mga Sizzy Mars. So, before we leave, ito yung ilang araw na sa akin na sinasabi ni Pula ng tikman ko. Pero, ngayon ko lang siya matitikman. Kasi ngayon kami nakabili. Kung kailan palsa kami. So, habang nag-empake siya, tikman natin. Merong 3 kinds. Ito yung gusto niya talagang tikman ko. Yung egg tart. Egg tart. Tapos, bumili kami ng variant na milk egg. Tapos, ito din yung sikat daw sila. Yung, sugar puff. Something. Para sa malis ba yung kamay ko? Bahala na. Anyway, tikman muna natin to. Tignan natin kung it's worth the hype. Ay! Ano ba naman yon? Lasang egg. Next. I think I like this one better. And lastly, this sugar pop. Ano lang siya sa loob. Like, air lang. Siguro if you're looking for a quick snack. Sarap to. And super moist siya sa loob. Ano ba yung food critic naman? So in conclusion, my favorite is this one. Order po ng one-piece chicken yan. Yes. Ay, pa-cancel na lang pala lahat. Can I have a refill, please? No. Masarap yung so mag-refill ako. Hindi pa ako namumula. Ano ka ba? Hindi naman ako pulain like ito. Pa tayo. Tapos na yung vlog, diba? Guys, refill my little glass, pero puno na siya ngayon. Bait, parang kanina hindi naiinis sa akin ah.
Paano naman di maiinis eh? Yung kuko mo natanggal. Pakita mo yung kuko mo. Patingin na isa.
Anong yak? Malinis
Tapos
pa
guys,
rin
alam
yan,
nyo
oh.
kanina, tinatry niyang ikabit gamit eyelash na glue. Tapos nakita ko siya nangulangot pa kanina.
Kasi yung tinatry ko na pang face. Okay, yung nag-ano kanina eh. Na,
Tama na,
na
tama
ano. Cheers to our successful trip.
Paano kakao?
Hindi pa gawin na, huwag ka muna uminom. So I guess we're gonna end our vlog na today. So thank you so much for staying with us and for watching the vlog until this very end. So if you want us to go to another trip, just comment down below sa baba kung saan. Alam mo talaga daming time eh. Pero pupuntahan namin.
One place at a time.
Yeah, so
Every
comment
city
down below sa baba kung ano yung mga suggestion nyo. So, thank you guys. We love you. Bye.